I'm scavenging in the woods here behind my house, and I found this old piece of buried leather. It looks like it's the webbing from an old baseball glove, but it is old and just stiff. I mean, this thing is like a piece of wood, how stiff it is. But I'm gonna see what I can do, see if I can clean it up and then put some leather solution on it, see if I can make something out of it. Let's put it in here. Put some warm water, some Dawn dish soap. All right, it's been in the water for 24 hours. Let's see what it looks like. All right. It's getting a little bit more pliable. So now I'm just gonna rinse it off and put some leather conditioner on it, see if we can get it to a workable leather. Look at that. Let it marinate in some Neat's Feet oil, see if it'll soften this up. All right, this thing is greased up. Let it dry out a little bit. It's nice and pliable now. So I let it dry out a little bit more, so now it's not oily, but it's super pliable. That Neat's Feet oil works great. And what I'm going to do is use this to make a belt sheath for my Puma Hunter's Pal, which is a small little hunting knife that I got secondhand, but I didn't get a sheath with it, so I'm just going to fold it over like this and use some zip ties just to make it real easy, so I'm not having to do any sewing or leather work, and make a little belt sheath for it. Just gonna thread these through like this. I do want to put a belt loop on this side so I can attach it to my belt. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open it back up a little and put two through here. Through here. And make a loop through there so I can thread my belt through. Pull these closed, making sure I enclose it nicely around the blade and the top part of the handle so you get a nice secure fit. This is obviously a very crude leather sheath, but if you need to construct something pretty quickly out of some scrap leather or something you just found, it can give you a solution to not having a knife sheath. So there we go. Holds it nice and secure. Nice sheath for my little Puma Hunter's Pal. Holds it nicely and safely, and I can put it on my belt. A little crude, but does the trick if you need a sheath. And have some zip ties and a piece of leather. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, Repurpose and Reuse, where I take everyday commonplace things I scavenge or find to make new creations. Thanks again. Take care.